Welcome to Gariautocare. I'm Team Wire. As usual, right now I have Nissan Note. It's a 2012 model. The vehicle has a problem with check engine, and apart from check engine, there is high consumption. So in the dashboard we have check engine. So we are going to find out what causes the check engine to pop out on the dashboard. According to my diagnostic machine, here we have only one code. Let me show you. The code is p0031 one time, which is AF sensor 1 heater B1. This means that the p0031 is air to fuel ratio sensor. So when you talk about the air to fuel ratio sensor p0031, it means that there is a problem with either oxygen sensor or mass airflow sensor. But most of the time it is oxygen sensor, because the machine has specific indicate the B1 bang 1 sensor 1 bang 1, meaning it's oxygen sensor, the upstream. The upstream sensor is sensor 1 bang 1, because when you come to mass airflow sensor, this vehicle doesn't have bang 1 bang 2. So we are going straight to the oxygen sensor to find out why this code is popping up. Today I'm going to explain why the oxygen sensor is the culprit. Because of that, I'm going to explain the causes of bad oxygen sensor. Before that, the meaning of oxygen sensor. Oxygen sensor is used to read the concentration of oxygen in the exhaust gases. Then it sends information to the ECU. Then ECU regulates the air to fuel ratio. That is the thing that disturbing this vehicle. And causes of bad oxygen sensor. Number one, we have poor fuel efficiency, which is high consumption. We have loss of power. We have rough idling or poor performance of the engine. Another cause, we have odor smell, the bad smell from the exhaust gases because of unburned gases. Another thing, then finally we have check engine light on the dashboard. We are going straight to the oxygen sensor of upstream. I'm going to show you how oxygen sensor look like and how we are going to handle this code step by step. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. Oxygen sensor socket. So in this 4 pins we need ignition and 2 earth. So you're going to see if it has ignition. So we have ignition, meaning there's no problem with the wiring issue. So the issue is oxygen sensor itself. Look, the socket is broken. Resistance value is 0, which is wrong. This is the new oxygen sensor. The new sensor has 2.8 amps, which is okay. It's between 0.2 to 25 amps. 2.8. The resistance value is 2.8. We have already replaced the new oxygen sensor. So we are going to clear this code. Look at the dashboard. Now see, everything's okay. No checking engine. So we are going to test this vehicle and to see how it's going to perform. Look at the diagnosing data. The engine passed no fault, which means the problem was oxygen sensor. See here, the air to fuel sensor bank 1 sensor 1 is 218 volts. So we have air to fuel sensor heater bank 1. See, now everything's okay, idling stable, no check engine, consumption is good. So the problem was oxygen sensor. So thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.